Okay, good morning, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I hope yesterday you
Good
got
morning,
some
sir.
time. Sometime you got to, if you want to cover any backlogs or anything that is left, especially those who joined recently. All right, my setup is slightly changed. I hope lighting works out better. Let me see. I think last class we were discussing about a particular type of determinants where one column is 111. Then how to write factors for that. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is today's date?
17.
17.
Okay. 17/6/2021. Okay, so we have discussed two questions, one a square and one a cube. Okay, don't write this, sir. Just listen. 1a cube we already done. Let us say it is a power 4 or 1a square a cube. 1b square b 1b b power 4. 1c c power 4 or 1b square b cube. 1c square c cube. What do you think? Can you guess what the answer will be? Feel free, no problem.
minus b, b minus c, c minus a.
Yeah, both of them will definitely have a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Here also a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Yes. What else? Well, when you take this into this minus this into this or something like that, what is the degree? 5. Yes, you're right. 5. So this is already third degree. So what will come here?
A square plus b square plus c square, sir.
A square plus b square plus c square. Okay, but we were looking for a second degree option. Okay. Madam, can you make my desktop into co-host and remove the co-host for my mobile? Sheetal, madam. It's okay, I'll try to manage. All right. Yeah, one option is a square plus b square plus c square. Do you think any other second degree expression is there where a, b, c are equally present?
A plus b plus c whole square.
Yeah, that's also good. Okay, so one option is a plus b plus c whole square. Another option is a square plus b square plus c square. Any other choice?
ab plus bc plus ca.
Yes, that's also nice. AB plus BC plus CA also where ABC are equally present and second degree. Anything else? Yeah, these are good. And basically I can take a square plus b square plus c square into lambda plus mu into AB plus BC plus CA. Basically these two, any of their combination. For example, this is this plus 2 times this. I can take this plus 1 time this and I may get here a square plus b square plus c square plus AB plus BC plus CA. Or a square plus b square plus c square minus AB minus BC minus CA. I can get that also, right? Or some 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, something of that sort. Okay, we can get any such. But out of that, which one it is, how will you decide? I think the answer for this may be different. So we may have to write here as lambda into a square plus b square plus c square mu into ab plus bc plus c. Then how to find lambda and mu? Earlier we took a0, b1, c2 or a0, b1, c minus 1. Like that you take, but not one set of numbers. You take two set of numbers because you have two unknowns. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Don't have to write, just listen only, that's it. Okay. So now, so whenever 1, 1 is there, try to subtract, get zeros and try to get something common. That's the overall concept. Later on, when you try IP homework questions, you'll get 1 or 2 questions of that model and mains objectives also. Now I'm going to go to the next model. Okay, this you can write in the class. You should write, not you can, you should in the class notes. Okay, I don't know whether I'm giving any numbers or just a question. Now, A minus B minus C and 2B and 2C. 2A, B minus C minus C and 2C. And 2A, 2B, C minus A minus B. I have to show this is equal to A plus B plus C whole cube. Show that this is equal to A plus B plus C whole cube. Okay, please write this question. What is this model is? Do you have any 1, 1, 1 everywhere? No, right? Okay. See, one row is 1 or one column is 1, then we do that. Yeah, but here not one row is 1 or one column is 1, but when you add all the rows, you'll get same thing, or when you add all the columns, you'll get same thing, one of them or both of them. For this, if I add this, not useful, because 2A plus 2A plus this is 5A minus B minus C. Here I'll get minus A minus C plus 5B. Here I'll get 5C. That's not good. But for column 1, if I add column 2 and column 3, what is sum of these three things?
A plus B plus C.
And sum of these three things?
B plus C plus C.
Same thing, right? Okay. So I'm going to write column 1 as column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. I'm going to do this operation. When I do this, what will happen to LHS? This plus this is A plus B plus C. This plus this is also A plus B plus C. This plus this is also A plus B plus C. Column 2 as it is. 2B and 2C. B minus C minus A. 2C. 2B, C minus A minus. Okay. Now, if I take A plus B plus C common here, what will happen?
One will be from first column, sir.
Yes, from first column.
1, 1, 1.
Yeah. Once you get 1, 1, 1, it is a previous model, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So anyway, if I take 1, 1, 1 common, I'm going to subtract rows to get zeros. Instead of taking common, I'll directly subtract. So I'm going to remove this first row from second row and also from third row. After taking common, you can do it. Before that also you can do it. Anything is okay. I'm going to write second row as second row minus first row. And third row as third row minus first row. We can do at maximum 2 operations in a step, but one should not contradict the other. From second row, I'm removing first row. From third row, I'm removing first row. Whether you're doing 2 different steps or 1 step, there is no difference. That means there's not contradicting. First row as it is, A plus B plus C, 2B and 2C. From this, if I remove this, whether they're ones or not, doesn't matter. We are getting 0. Getting 0 is most important. From this, when I subtract, I'll get minus B, minus C, minus A. From this, when I subtract this, 0. From this, when I subtract first row, again 0 here, minus B, minus C, minus C. So we are only interested in zeros here, but luckily we got some zeros here. And now it is a triangular matrix, directly product of the diagonal elements.
Yes, sir.
So that's it done. It is A plus B plus C into minus B minus C minus A into minus B minus C minus A. You can take minus common here, they will become same. And then you will get A plus B plus C whole cube. Roll number 445, Cherit. Can you please respond?
Yes.
Is your name Cherit or Saket?
Cherit.
Cherit. Okay, Saket Rokam. Are you there in the class? Saket? No. All right. Cherit, only you attended class today only?
Yesterday also I attended.
Yesterday you attended, but I did not take class yesterday. All right. Okay, fine. You note down my number and send me your name, roll number, and your phone number to me in WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 9652823446.
Okay,
Saket
sir.
Rokam, are you there in the class? Saket Rokam? No. Maybe I think day for yesterday one student came. He is from another section. Maybe by mistake came here instead of. It's okay. Okay, I'll give you another question similar to this. Saket Rokam, you are there in the class. Why are you not responding? Saket? Saket. Okay. Right, another question of this type. Mod 3x minus 8, 3, 3x minus 8 and 3, 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. Find x. Very easy question. You can answer quickly also. Okay, lot of children video is off without any response, without any reminder from our side. Video should be automatically on when you join.
Sir, 24 by 9.
24 by 9. Okay. Only one x value, or are you getting more?
X value.
Okay. Here you can add all the rows or all the columns, doesn't matter. Column 1, I can write column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. Then what will happen? You'll get
24 by 9 means 8 by 3.
24 by 9 is 8 by 3. If you add all 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2, 3x minus 8 and 3x minus 8 equal to 0. Next, basically you add all the rows or columns and then one row try to subtract other rows, try to get zeros basically. I can take common and get 1 1 1 also, but from second row if I remove first row, and from third row if I remove first row, I'll get 3x minus 2 3 3, here 0, here 3x minus 11. Where did you get that 24 by 9 8 by 3? Oh, you are thinking 3x minus 8 is 0 or something? I don't think 8 by 3 is correct. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, 11 by 3 or 2 by 3?
Yes. When you actually expand the determinant LHS, the answer is, it's a triangular matrix. So directly 3x minus 2 into 3x minus 11.
Minus 11 whole square.
Yes, correct. Okay, so either this is 0 or this is 0. 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 3x minus 11 equal to 0. X is equal to 2 by 3 or x is equal to 11 by 3. Okay, there are two answers, 2 by 3 or 11 by 3. I think without writing much also I can tell, why. If this and 3 are equal, can I say two columns are equal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If this becomes 3, this becomes 3, this becomes 3, then all the 3 columns are equal, all the 3 rows are equal, that should be 0. Okay. So directly this and this are equal, 11 by 3 will come. Another option is when you add all the rows, you get same element here. If that is 0, like you are getting here, if 3x minus 2 is 0, one column is 0. If one column is 0 also, that is 0. So that is giving the other option, x equal to 2 by 3. So whenever by putting x equal to alpha, if 2 rows become same, I can say x minus alpha is a factor. In fact, if 3 rows become same or 3 columns become same, I can say it is factored twice at least. Because these two are equal, it is factor, and because these two are equal, it may be factor one more time. So when I put x equal to alpha, if 3 rows become same, x minus alpha should be factored at least twice. Like here you can see, when this is equal to 3, 3 rows are equal, that's why this came at least twice. One more factor is this 3x minus 2. Okay, don't write the small thing that I'm going to write, but let us see if somebody can guess the answer. X, A, X, A, X. Anybody want to guess? It is having got two factors. What are they?
Sir, x is equal to a.
Factor me. Okay, x minus a. Yes.
X plus 2.
Sir, x
Yes.
plus 2 whole square.
Other one is x plus 2a. Should I put a square for this or this? Which one? What do you think?
Sir, x plus 2a whole square.
Sir, x plus 2a whole square.
No, the first one. You know why? When you put x equal to a, if two columns are equal, I would have written only once. But 3 columns are equal, so it should be factored at least twice. So you'll get a
Sir,
square
once
here.
you can explain these type of problems if they are given xa, when diagonal elements are equal and other elements are also equal.
It is not about whether diagonal elements are equal or not necessarily. What is, just by looking at the question, if you feel that x equal to alpha, you can guess it, which can help you to make 2 columns equal. It is a factor. Here you can easily say when x is a, these 2 columns are equal, so x minus is a factor. Even these 2 columns are also equal, I should say factor twice at least. And apart from that, when I add all, I'll get x plus 2a, x plus 2a, x plus 2a. So directly x plus 2a will become common in one row. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
So, sir, in these type
Yes.
of problems, column 1 we should write as column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. After that, we
Yes.
should write row 2 as row 2 minus row 1 and row
Yes.
3 as row 3 minus row 1.
Yes, usually it works.
Okay. This method doesn't work. Another method is also there, sir.
Basically, what happens, determinant definition is there, theory is same. How to use the properties in different circumstances, I'm giving some examples. There's nothing like we have some 30 models, each model. By observing these kind of questions, we just thought let us teach as a model. That's
Okay.
okay. Okay, next question. I'm writing down. Okay. Determinant a minus x c b. C b minus x a. B a c minus x equal to 0. And a plus b plus c equal to 0. Find x. Bhavani, are you able to manage with the letters?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Those
Sir,
completed.
can be
Yes,
0.
please.
Sir,
X equal to 0 is correct. That is one option.
X is itself a factor.
Yeah, x itself is a factor. Yes. Apart from that, some other roots might will come, because when you expand this, is it a cubic equation? This into this, when you expand, is it a cubic equation?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. X. So a cubic equation will have 3 roots. So one root is 0. I'll agree. It will have 2 other roots. In fact, it will be some square root of a square plus b square plus c square, something of that sort. It will be there. Okay, the previous question, can I erase, or anybody needs more time?
So you can
Okay. Saket, why are you not responding? Saket Rokkam. Either in the chat or you should directly speak. Okay, here I can add all the rows or all the columns. I think it is same. Column 1 as column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. Then I'll be getting a plus b plus c minus x. Here also a plus b plus c minus x. Here also a plus b plus c minus x. C, b minus x and a. B, a and c minus x equal to 0. Okay, now subtract. I'll get zeros, but even these are very complicated. I don't think it will help so much to subtract the rows to get zeros. First of all, let me take common here. I can write a plus b plus c as 0. They gave. I'll substitute later. A plus b plus c minus x. I'll take common. I'll get 1, 1, 1. C, b, b minus x, a, c minus x equal to 0. Even though whenever 1, 1 is there, our standard procedure is subtract and get zeros. Here I don't want to do that. I just want to expand directly. You can, after subtracting, also expand, not a big issue. Either way, it should be same. So a plus b plus c minus x. I want to expand using first column. 1 into this. B minus x into c minus x minus a square. Minus 1 into this c into c minus x minus ab. Plus 1 into ca minus b into b minus x equal to 0. A plus b plus c minus x. If I expand this, I'll get bc minus bx minus cx plus x square minus a square. Minus c square plus cx plus ab. This is plus ca minus b square plus b equal to 0. Plus bx minus bx plus bx got cancelled. Minus ax plus ax got cancelled. Okay, so I got a plus b plus c minus x into x square minus of a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equal to 0. Without even using a plus b plus c equal to 0, I got determinant like this. Now when I equate it, I'll get x is equal to a plus b plus c, or x is equal to plus or minus square root of this big expression. Root of a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Okay, now we're not at use so far, at least I am not at use so far a plus b plus c 0 anywhere. Using a plus b plus c 0, this will become 0. And this answer they want only in terms of a square, b square, c square without a, b, b, c, c. Think about how to simplify this in terms of a square, b square, c square.
Sir, if a plus b plus c is equals to 0, one formula is there, no, sir?
Yes,
A plus a cube plus b cube minus 3abc is equals to a square plus b square plus c square.
yeah, that is there, but you can write using that a plus a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is 0. That's all. But I think here there's not use of that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, half a minus b whole square.
Okay, basically I want you to eliminate ab plus bc plus ca and write it in terms of a square plus b square plus c square using a plus b plus c equal to 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
No. Dheeraj, what does your father do?
Sir, my father, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually he's the managing director of SR Shopping Malls, chain of shopping malls.
Okay, which one? SR Shopping Mall.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is in that is one is here, one is in what is that Vapagunta that side and all, Gopalapatnam and all, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, they are in other cities also.
Sir, at present, only near Visakhapatnam, and only other two are out of Visakhapatnam district, sir. Like one in Srikakulam and Nassanapeta.
Okay, all right. MD means basically is a owner or something.
Yes, sir. He's the founder, sir.
Achha, all right, got it. Okay. You have any brother or sister?
No, sir.
Okay. Mukind, what does your father do?
Sir, he is a businessman.
What kind of business?
Sir, surgical items.
Achha, okay. For hospitals and all, will supply.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have any brothers or sisters?
Sir, small brother.
Okay. Which class?
He is in 7th.
Achha, okay. Okay, please copy up to here. Those are not done by themselves. If any doubt, you can ask me. Hindu Hasni, what does your father do?
No, he's a teacher, sir.
Government, private?
Government teacher, sir.
Okay. Where he is working right now?
He is working in Munagapaka side, sir, near Anakapalli.
Okay. Visakhapatnam district.
Yes, sir. Visakhapatnam district.
Okay. All right. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes. I'm having a brother, younger brother.
Which class?
Presently, he is 6th, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay, so here I can write x equal to 0. Here I have to change slightly. So I'll get write a small thing. A plus B plus C equal to 0 implies A plus B plus C whole square is 0. If I expand that, I'll get A square plus B square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0. Because they don't want answer in terms of AB, BC, CA, they want only in terms of A square, B square, C square. I want to remove this. So I can send this to the other side. AB plus BC plus CA minus of A square plus B square plus C square by 2 by using this. This I'm going to put it here. So I got X is equal to A plus B plus C, which is 0, or X is equal to plus or minus square root of A square plus B square plus C square minus, in the place of AB plus BC plus CA, I can write minus of A square plus B square plus C square by 2. Okay, that is X equal to 0 or X is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 by 2 times A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, so without A plus B plus C equal to 0, the given that is 0 for 3 X values. One is this, 2 or this. If A plus B plus C is 0 is given, they can be slightly changed as this and this. Okay, now I'm going to discuss from mains material odd numbered questions. Okay, there are not many models that I need to discuss. Just whatever I discuss, based on that, just I'll finish off the odd numbered questions, and you have to do even number questions. Yes, please.
Sir, before that, once can you explain fourth question, sir?
In mains material, fourth question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Basically, you write it as sum of two matrices. Wherever cos theta is there separately, wherever sin theta is there separately. Other elements you put zeros.
Okay, sir.
You will get cos theta 0, 0, cos theta 1. Another one is 0, sin theta minus sin theta 0. Now we take cos theta common from the first matrix, sin theta common from second matrix. Yes, please. You can even verify from the options. It will come very easily only. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Ashta, for your question, I replied in WhatsApp. I hope you have seen it or not seen it. Ashta, did you ask about 46? Oh, you saw. Okay, fine. Is it clear? Okay, I need to share the question now. Okay, you can see 45 and 47 on the screen. I'll just, there are simple questions. Just, we decided that I will do odd numbers and you will do even numbers. I'm going, yes, somebody is asking something.
Sir, can you please put the page number?
What?
Page number of the material.
Page number, okay. If it is in the PDF, you want to type the page number, it is 29. In the otherwise, it is 23. Please mute yourself. Saket, Rokam, still you are not responding. You are there or not? Charit, you will not be able to, if you are able to follow, okay. If you are not able to follow, don't worry. We are in between a topic. I'll tell you what to do later on, okay?
Oh,
I don't know that you joined yesterday. Otherwise, I would have sent you some videos yesterday. You would have watched yesterday. It's okay. Not a problem. Okay, 45 is a very simple 2 by 2 determinant. 4 sine square theta cos square theta 3 secant square theta cosecant square theta. Yeah, just simple one, nothing much. 4 into sine square theta into cosecant square theta minus 3 secant square theta into cos square theta. This product is 1 because cosecant square is 1 by sine square. This is 1 by cos square. They'll
The
cancel.
determinant is 1, sir.
Yes, simply 4 minus 3 and it is 1. Okay, 47 0 AB square AC square A square B 0 BC square and A square C B square C 0 A square C B square C 0. Okay, in the beginning determinant just expand. You don't have to use any properties and all here. Okay, just normally if I expand 0 into anything, I don't even have to write, it will be 0. Minus AB square into this into this is 0. So I'll get 0 minus this product is A square B C cube. Next this one A C square into this is A square B cube C minus 0. 0 A cube B cube C cube plus A cube B cube C cube, which is 2A cube B cube C cube. Okay, just expanding determinant, nothing properties and all not necessary here.
Sir, one doubt. Once, can you scroll up, sir? Once I'll see the 47 question, sir.
Yeah, you can see now.
Okay, thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Over.
Okay.
Sir, on spot 9 questions.
Yeah. Anshu.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Can you please explain 48th question, sir?
48. Okay. Anyway, tomorrow I'm planning to discuss all the even numbers. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Basically, you will get sin A equal to sin B equal to sin C. You have to understand A equal to B equal to C means equilateral triangle. So angle A is 60, angle B is 60, angle C is 60. That's the overall idea.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 49, you don't have to use any properties. Simply expand the LHS, simply expand the RHS determinant by the original definition. You will get some condition. Bhuvan, I hope you are somewhat comfortable with determinants.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hemanshu, I think you must be completely comfortable now. There should not be any issue, right?
Yes, sir.
Hemanshu, what is your father?
Business, sir. Businessman.
That's okay. What kind of business? If it is,
It's rice mill, sir.
okay. The rice mill is there.
Yes, sir.
Achha, okay. You are from Telugu or some other state?
Telugu, sir.
Achha, okay. The name looks somewhat maybe, I don't know, Bengali name or something. From the name in the beginning, I was not clear. Is it a boy's name or girl's name also? Anybody told you earlier like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have any brother or sister?
No, sir.
Okay. Where is this rice mill located?
East Godavari district, sir. Mannapeta.
East Godavari district. Okay. All right. 49 question is here. I just said simply expand this, nothing much. Okay. I'm going to expand. You expand normally your own way. I want to expand the. No, I said when I told 7 method, the last method, multiplying diagonally or arrow method, right? I want to do like that. This product is 0. This product is this into this into this. I am going to get sine alpha, sine beta, sine gamma. This product is this into this into this, which is another sine alpha, sine beta, sine gamma. And when I multiply like this, 0, 0, 0, minus 0, minus 0, minus 0. Right side one, when I expand the same way, I'll get first 1, this into this into 1. This into this into this is sine alpha, sine beta, sine gamma. Again sine alpha, sine beta, sine gamma. And here, when I multiply like this, I'm going to get sine square beta, sine square gamma, sine square alpha. Okay, I can cancel these two. I can cancel these two. That's it. We got 1 is equal to sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma equal to 1. That's all. This answer. So nothing much. They may look like big determinants. Okay, you expand normally, I said, but if somebody wants, let's say I take this as 1 A B C. This is like alpha. Okay, let me write letters simply alpha, beta, gamma. Again alpha 1, beta, gamma 1. How did I expand this way? Is I wrote this one more time. 1 alpha beta, alpha 1 gamma, beta gamma 1. I said you can multiply these three plus this product minus this minus this minus this. You remember that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is 1. That's what I wrote here. This is sin alpha into sin beta into sin gamma. This is sin beta into sin alpha into sin gamma. Same. This one, where is that? This one, minus gamma square. This is minus alpha square. This is minus beta square. So that is minus sin square beta, sin square gamma, sin square alpha. I expanded that way, but you expand anyway, doesn't matter. You'll get finally same expansion here, same here. Some things got cancelled. We got
So 48 to 1.
Just think about it. Tomorrow we'll discuss in the doubt session.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So we can do the 48 one in the same way.
Yeah. Okay, got it. 48th one, basically what is the logic? If you remember earlier I discussed, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is 0 only when a equal to b equal to c. Why? A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, we wrote it as multiplying with 2 divided with 2, a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square by 2. Something square plus something square plus something square equal to 0 only when all are 0. You remember all that? Okay, so if somebody is trying 48, is based on that. When we try, we'll discuss tomorrow docs, not an issue.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, in Maths B, we learned that sin A, sin B. So it looks like a formula for area of triangle. But there's no half. So can we do like that also?
It looks like an area of triangle. You want to say that, but the points are here different. That means basically area is 0 when you say they're like collinear points. Is that you want to talk about? Yeah, but this question is not exactly related to that way. Even though it's nice that there are some determinate questions, we can relate it to areas and we can visualize the question, but not this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, is the 51st answer is option D?
Option B, Bombay, you are talking about? Or
No,
Delhi?
D, sir, Delhi.
Yeah, option D, correct. Okay, please mute yourself if somebody got unmuted. Okay, 49. Anybody doubt? I'm going to erase. Anybody needs more time?
No, sir. Sir, 51, we should do like column 1 is equals to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3, no, sir?
You can do that way. The reason I gave the questions in our mains material in order. Okay. The reason is in the beginning I gave questions where you don't have to use any properties. Just expand. It may come easy.
Sir, now also if we just expand, it's over, sir.
Yes, it's over. Somebody said option D. Who is that? Which girl told that? Just now somebody said option D. No, who is that?
Me, sir, Shravya.
Shravya, how you have done? Shravya, have you done 51? I'm asking. Okay, I did not copy the question. So 51, 2ab, a square and b square. A square, b square, 2ab. And b square, 2ab, a square. Okay, I can just expand this straight away. Even this I can expand the arrow way I want to do it. This expansion is 2a cube b cube. This into this into this. This into this into this also same. 2a cube b cube. This into this also same. 2a cube b cube. This product is minus b power 6. This into this is minus 2ab whole cube and
minus a power 6.
minus a power 6. Yes. So if I take minus common, I got a power 6, b power 6. This is 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Let me even write that better. 6 minus 8. So minus 2 a cube b cube minus b power 6 minus a power 6. If I take minus common, I'll get a power 6, so b power 6 plus 2 a cube b cube, which is minus of a cube plus b cube whole square. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I can add all the rows and columns. I'll get a square plus b square plus 2ab common. But then after that, actually, if you expand this further, it is a plus b into a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab into a square plus b square minus ab. It is actually that, because this into this is 1 a cube plus b cube. This into this is 1 a cube plus b cube. When I add all the rows,
another way also, no, sir?
Just let me finish, then you can talk about. Okay. If I add all the rows or all the columns, I'll get this part. But then getting these two, it may take time. Yes. Now tell what is that you want to say.
Like row 2 is equals to row 2 minus row 1. Like in that process also we can do.
If you do that, are you getting something common?
Yes.
Because there is a 2 here and there is a 2 here. What will come common?
Sir, if we do in that process, we are not getting one triangle as zeros, whole triangle. We are getting only 2 zeros.
Not only 2 zeros, but are you getting something common after that? No, right?
No, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
Sir, I think we need to add the columns.
You need to add the columns. Even then, you want to add all the columns, it's okay. After the time, I have a problem. See, I can add all the columns and take common. Then I'll get no doubt a plus b whole square common. I'll be getting 1, 1, 1. A square, b square, 2ab, 2ab and a square. And that I need to prove it as a square plus b square minus ab whole square.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Sir, we will get only 2 zeros
One
in
column
first
is
column.
one column.
Then we can expand by using first column, sir. Then other two.
You are saying just expand this.
Yes, sir. We can expand using only first column.
Okay,
Because
if you expand using first column, you will be getting a power 4 and b power 4 and a square b square, 2a square b square minus 2a cube b minus 2a b cube. You have to recognize that it is a perfect square.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, that matrix 2ab, a square, b square, a square, b square, you expanded, no, sir, determinant.
Yes, correct.
Sir, if time permits, once you can show it step by step, sir, I'm not able to do it, sir. That's
Okay, all right. That I'll show. But other than expanding directly, I feel adding columns or adding rows is not giving me something useful. Still, somebody want to say? Okay, think about it. If somebody want to tell something, feel free. Okay, here I expanded by arrow method. What is that? I wrote this determinant once again. Okay. 2ab, a square, b
In
square.
exams, they will ask to use properties, sir, in question.
No, they will not mention anything in the exam. Okay. But
We can do in any method.
we can do any method. But as I said, there are some questions, the solution appears decent only when you use properties. Like we had done some questions in the class, just previous class, right? Especially when RHS is, you have to show this is equal to product of many things and some kind of things. That don't say I'll expand LHS fully, RHS fully, and they're equal. That doesn't appear decent. But some questions directly expanding is only better. Is it okay?
okay.
Okay, anyway, coming to this, if somebody wants, I'll do normally this into this minus this into this, minus this into this into this minus this into this, plus this into this minus this into this. I'll get same thing only. But what I have done here, I wrote this one more time. Now let us see what is this product.
A plus B whole square.
No, only this product,
2a
not sum.
cube b cube.
2a cube.
Okay.
B cube.
Then what is this product?
2a cube.
2a cube B cube.
And this product is also that. That's what these three is.
2a cube.
Okay. Next, this product is a minus 2ab. Where is this? This. Okay. This I wrote in any order. This is minus 2ab whole cube. This is minus a power 6. This is minus b power 6. So these three are positive product. These three are negative product. That's how I wrote this. Is it okay? There is, you asked or somebody asked?
Yes, sir. Me only, sir. Me only.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, in respect of the first term, can you show the expansion, sir?
Okay, I can show.
Because I'm getting the doubt.
2ab into this is b square a square. This into this is minus 2ab whole square. Minus with a square. This into this is a power 4 and this into this is 2ab cube. And plus b square into this into this is 2a cube b. And this into this is b power 4. Now if you operate further, this into this is 2a cube b cube. Okay. You know, if somebody wants to write the other way, you can write it if you want. This is 2a cube b cube. This is minus 8a cube b cube. This into this is a power 6. This into this is 2a cube b cube. This into this also 2a cube b cube. This into this is minus b power 6. So minus a power 6 minus b power 6 fine. This put together is minus 2a cube b cube, which will come this step and then follows. If somebody want to expand by using first row normally, is that okay?
Sir, yes, sir, I got it.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, 2a cube plus b cube, 2a cube b cube plus 2a cube b cube plus 2a cube b cube. You underline, no, sir.
Including this, it is this. There is one minus 8a cube b cube. Including that, it is
Okay.
minus 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, arrow method is only for 3 by 3 matrices, right?
Yeah, only for 3. Yes, you're right. '53 also just expand directly. Okay. Anyway, you can try even numbers up to 60 or 70 is possible to try. Okay. We'll see later. So your chemistry sir came and time is also up. I'll stop. Thank you very much.